When it comes to home improvements in Sumter, few upgrades offer as many lasting advantages as energy-efficient windows. Beyond the immediate comfort they bring, these windows provide homeowners with financial savings, environmental benefits, and enhanced property value. Let's explore the long-term benefits that make energy-efficient windows one of the smartest investments for Sumter residents. Lower energy bills year-round. One of the biggest advantages of energy-efficient windows is the significant reduction in heating and cooling costs. In Sumter's warm, humid summers and chilly winters, homes often rely heavily on HVAC systems. Traditional windows allow air to leak in and out, forcing your system to work harder. Energy-efficient windows are designed with insulated glass, low emissivity, low-E coatings, and advanced framing materials that minimize heat transfer. Over time, these features can cut utility bills by hundreds of dollars annually. The savings accumulate year after year, quickly offsetting the initial investment. Enhanced indoor comfort. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about consistency. Old or poorly sealed windows can create drafts, cold spots, or overheated areas near the glass. Energy-efficient windows maintain stable indoor temperatures by keeping hot air out in summer and cold air out in winter. This even distribution of warmth and coolness makes your living spaces more enjoyable, no matter where you sit. It also helps reduce reliance on space heaters or fans, further lowering energy consumption. Protection against sun damage. In sunny Sumter, UV rays streaming through windows can fade furniture, carpets, and artwork over time. Energy-efficient windows often come with UV-blocking coatings that reduce harmful rays while still allowing natural light to brighten your home. This means your interior decor stays vibrant longer, saving you the expense of replacing or repairing sun-damaged items. It's a benefit many homeowners overlook, but one that delivers lasting value. Increased home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is more than a practical improvement, it's a boost to your property's marketability. Potential buyers in Sumter are increasingly looking for eco-friendly and cost-saving features. Homes with modern, efficient windows often sell faster and at higher prices than those with outdated ones. If you ever decide to move, this investment can yield a substantial return. Environmental benefits. Choosing energy-efficient windows isn't just good for your wallet, it's good for the planet. By reducing the amount of energy your home consumes, you lower your carbon footprint. This means fewer greenhouse gas emissions from power plants and a step toward a cleaner, more sustainable Sumter. For environmentally conscious homeowners, this is a powerful way to make a difference while enjoying practical benefits. Noise reduction. Energy-efficient windows don't just keep out heat and cold, they also block unwanted noise. With Sumter's growing neighborhoods and busy roadways, outdoor sounds can often disrupt indoor peace. Thanks to double or triple glazing and insulated frames, energy-efficient windows reduce sound transmission, creating a quieter, more serene home environment. This makes them especially valuable if you live near traffic, schools, or commercial areas. Long-lasting durability. Today's energy-efficient windows are built with durability in mind. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and treated wood are designed to resist warping, rotting, or weather damage. In Sumter's variable climate, this resilience means fewer repairs and replacements over time. With proper care, these windows can last decades, continuing to deliver savings and comfort throughout their lifespan. A smart investment for Sumter homes. Installing energy-efficient windows is one of the best ways to combine immediate comfort with long-term financial and environmental benefits. Lower utility bills, enhanced comfort, UV protection, and noise reduction all contribute to a better quality of life. Add in higher property value and eco-friendly performance, and it's clear why so many Sumter homeowners are making the switch. If you're looking to upgrade your home in a way that pays off for years to come, energy-efficient windows should be at the top of your list.